Good evening, dear tutor and partner. Let's start to interaction practice. And first, let me introduce myself. I am Javier Carrasquilla. I'm 37 years old. I was born in Monteria. Now a student in electronic engineering program, set in Jose Acevedo Gomez in Bogota City. Actually, I work for a so important airlines company, and I love so much travel, cook, play drones, try new tasty cuisine. I live with my wife and my son. My experience in India. The last vacation I went to India. I stayed there a week and went with my wife. I liked it because it was cheap. Just paid $2,000. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, went to the Taj Mahal in Agra, Red Fort Amber, and in this last one, I rode the elephant with my wife to climb the top of the Amber Fort, and was very exciting. Also touched the snake cobra that was being tamed by a snake chamber with an instrument called pong. And we like them a lot. Um, I came back 6 months ago because I start working in October last year. And I I'm going to talk about the weather. The weather in India is in North India is Rajasthan is generally arid and feature fairly warm temperatures over the year, with strange temperatures in both summer and winter. In Agra, there is no cold season. There are more sunny days than cloudy days. Now, yeah, the temperature is very hot. Um, and for some recommendation for the weather and for protect the sun, it's recommended the people wear cool clothes because most of the time it's very hot. It's very important to use sunscreen before living on sunny days to avoid skin burns. Yes, it's a good idea to always carry an umbrella because the sun rays are very strong. Mm, and some recommendation about the wear and the water. The water is the people should do the water that people should shouldn't do. People have better not drink tap water in India because the water is maybe contaminated. It's no good idea drink the water tap in India. And the word about the woman showed wear very short pants and just clothing. In India is a good idea. Shoot rye elephant in Jaipur, India, and and it's a nice place to visit. You can see some picture. It's common see the camel run on the way, and is often see the cobra snake. It's a good It's a nice place to visit. Thank you.